I've already put down my contact paper onto the vinyl. I am doing a beehive pattern, and here we go. So once you've cut out your pattern, I leave it on my mat. I cut out whatever excess. I put my contact paper, duck brand contact paper, down, and then I peel it up very slowly. My objective here is to get the inside of the design and not the outline. I'll do it again, squeegeed the design onto the contact paper. I want to make sure it's stuck to all the small shapes really good. Then you pick up a corner and start to peel. And there you have it. Obviously I'll be cutting, I just need the center part. So this bottom part will be coming off, and the side pieces. But now you have a beehive pattern. So next I will be, actually I could fix this up a little, and I'll do that right here on the video. I'm just doing this to get it to lay flat. When I do my transfer paper, I start roughly in the middle and then curve it out. Squeegee starting from the middle to eliminate air bubbles. There you go. So now you got 2 sets of decals from one cut.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click the bell button and subscribe.